Hi there, welcome back to Rolling with Rainbows. Come with me to roll across the meridian and back again from the Eastern Hemisphere to the West. Enjoy! Come with me today to Greenwich Park. It's almost 600 years old, making it London's oldest enclosed royal park. It was established in 1433 by Humphrey, Duke of Gloucester. He was the brother of Henry V. It's a fairly steep hill from Blackheath station to go up to the Heath, so you might want to enlist some help if you don't have a powered mobility vehicle. You'll almost certainly recognise the Heath. It's on television every April for the world-famous London Marathon. The 211 acres in the middle of Heath are completely traffic-free. Well, apart from foot traffic, this is the home of the start of the London Marathon, founded in 1981 by Chris Braysher. Greenwich Park is open 365 days a year, including Christmas Day. But on the 25th of December, the Royal Observatory and the cafe and the playground will be closed. There are many concerts held in the bandstand, which is just inside the Blackheath gate. Beautiful in the summer just to listen to. For more information, see this QR code or check the Greenwich Park website. There are a good number of access toilets within the park and also a changing spaces area. If you look at the bottom of the map, that's Blackheath, where we first entered. It's not rocket science. It just makes life a lot more difficult having no handle on there. The centre of Canary Wharf is built on the Meridian line as well, obviously, being directly opposite. That's the Royal Maritime Museum at the bottom of the hill. You can also pay to walk over the top of the dome. And here we are at the bottom of Greenwich Park. On the left you will see the now sanitised Greenwich Tavern. It was one of the best gay bars in South London in its day. I saw the legendary Paul O'Grady appear as Lily Savage many times when it was the Gloucester. This junction is a nightmare to cross. The only other option is to go 150 yards either side. There's no ramp down to the street, it's all high curbs, and you literally take your life in your own hands. The only point where the curb is low enough is helpfully blocked by a lamppost. Greenwich Market is a little younger than the park. It has been operating for nearly 300 years, officially opening for business on September the 3rd, 1737. It was originally established via a royal charter granted to Greenwich Hospital in December 1700. Whilst, like Covent Garden, it initially traded as a wholesale fruit, vegetable and livestock market, it underwent a massive revitalisation on May the 14th, 1985, when it was transformed into the thriving arts, crafts and street food destination it is known for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you're keen-eyed, you will see that on this map the route goes over to the other side of the Thames. Now that's a whole nother video. Look out for it. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.